All right, guys, so I just unboxed this. We got the Pocket Pad. We're gonna get into it in a minute, but it is a mini version of the Mag Pad. You see it right there. It's tiny. It's the size of, I don't know, a pack of cigarettes, something like that. It's tiny. And look at this. This thing ain't fucking around either, though. Look at this. That's an axe.
What the? No, it's for tools, Blake. What are you? Where are you getting all these caps? That is awesome. Pocket Pad gets a pass.
All right, guys, what's going on? So we got kind of a busy day. We got Corey over here. We wired in a fan for the wood stove. You can see it up there so that we can disperse the heat a little better. It's blizzarding outside. We've been working on the Fox body a little bit. They don't make a cowl hood big enough for our 2 superchargers, so we're building one. I'm kind of hopping around a little bit. I got to get floorboards for that thing, so I was trying to think other stuff I can do without having to bring the block to the machine shop, which is going to be happening in the next week or two. So I started on the cowl hood. Again, obviously, this is just kind of the first rendition of it. I don't know exactly how high it's supposed to be. But today, we are talking about MagPad. As a company, you guys, I've worked with MagPad for some time now. They are a phenomenal company. Their customer service is next to none. I seriously haven't found a company at all, or let alone just tools, that has been as awesome as these guys are. I've talked to the company. They took some of our suggestions when we reviewed it initially, improved the product, sent me another one. And last week I actually lost mine. I left it under a hood and I contacted the head of MagPad again. I was like, hey, if you have a second to chat, I thought of something else that might improve your product. And I suggested that they make vibrant colors. We talked for a while and he's like, hey, I got one, I'll send you one since yours walked off for free. And I'm gonna let you test the Pocket Pad. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. So here's our box right here. Literally 2 days after I talked to him, it was here. So let's open this. So we got our MagPad inside, we got the Pocket Pad, we got the MagPad. I'm just gonna show you how strong this thing is. All right, guys, so we got the original MagPad right here on the side of the Fox body. This one was actually a prototype. It's got the same magnets in it. That's how he was able to send it to me. The material they used on here, they didn't end up going with. It's very similar to what they actually have now. Honestly, I can't even tell the difference, but again, production. So I just wanted to show you quick how strong this thing is before we get into the Pocket Pad. We got a hammer right here, no problem. Lady's foot pry bar, right on there as well. And you guys aren't gonna believe this, we got a rotor. Look at that, you can't make this shit up, guys. So yeah, literally, you can take a rotor and stick it to that thing and it's not going anywhere. So the MagPad is a great tool. The MagPad has been awesome. I love the MagPad. I use it all the time. And like I said, the customer service, you can't beat it, you guys. They literally get back to me every time I talk to them. The head of the company, actually, they took my suggestions and redid the tool when they saw our video. So that's pretty awesome. But in talking to the head of MagPad, I told him that I really like his new addition to their lineup, which is the Pocket Pad. So he said, yeah, I'll stick a couple of those in the box too and ship them to you. And I was like, okay, like production, he sent them to me for free and they're not cheap. I think they're like 20 bucks a piece. Here it is right here. Same idea as the MagPad itself. It's just smaller. And the idea is you can stick it in your pocket. You know, if I'm wearing my uniform, I can stick it in my shirt pocket and then stick nuts and bolts to the outside. I don't have my uniform here, but I'm just going to tuck it down in my sweatshirt like this. And check this out. It's meant for nuts and bolts, but I mean, look at how strong this thing is. There's a big wood drill bit. I was putting the outlet box in the ceiling for the fan earlier with my buddy Corey, and so we were using this to drill the holes. But look at that. I mean, that's just that thing holding it right on my sweatshirt, just like that. So, awesome product. Awesome, awesome product. Boom, sticks right to it. So I can see this being a great addition to my MagPad lineup as well, now that I have the original back that obviously is stronger than it should be. And this material, you guys, is completely paint safe. It won't hurt anything. They're really flexible. And there's a lot of companies trying to knock this thing off right now, but I would not suggest buying those products because this is the original, you guys. They're based out of Texas, I believe, and I'm really glad that I found this company, and I hope that I can continue to work with them in the future. So I want to do a little review of the new Pocket Pad just to show you guys that MagPad has come out with another phenomenal product. Thanks for watching, guys. Once we get to that 500 subscriber mark, we're giving you away another tool. We'll keep trucking on the Fox body project. You see the hood over there. Like I said, I plan on getting the engine to the machine shop in the next week or two. So so we can start putting that back together. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She laced the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes.